Hello there, hi everyone. Today we're going to continue with Unit 9 and using the workbook, and let's open it on page 94. Remember that we are learning about the Unit 9, How Adventurous Are You? Page 94 says, remember that we've been learning about how to write the scripting paragraphs. And remember that we did some examples and some activities about it in the students book. Now they are telling us a review about it so you can remember how to write descriptive paragraphs. Okay, and now I'm going to read it for you, so I want you to follow the reading. It says, a good description includes a clear topic sentence that tells the reader what you are going to write about. I'm not a risk taker is the example. More information about the topic that gives examples or details. You can introduce your examples using, for example. Always use a comma. For example, comma, I don't like trying new foods. I also get nervous when I go to new places where I can't speak the language. A summary that retells the topic sentence in a new way. Example, it's okay that I'm not a risk taker because it's good to have different people in the world. Okay? If you need to pay attention to it, you can read it again. And let's pay attention to the examples that they are giving you between parentheses, so you can understand pretty well the information that they are giving you. Activity 18, read the description, then answer the questions, write the numbers. Okay, now here we have an example about the descriptive paragraph. Pay attention because you have numbers. You have different sentences, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you pay attention, it will be easier to do the next activity. It says, I'm not at all adventurous and I don't like to try new things. For example, I don't play sports because every time I play, I've gotten hurt. I also don't like trying new foods, and I prefer to eat the same food every day. This is strange because my whole family loves trying new food from different cultures. Everyone says I should be more adventurous and try new things, but I'm happy just the way I am. Okay, now you have 3 questions and you need to match by writing in the blank the number of the sentence that answers to the question. For example, number 1, which sentence is the topic sentence? Number 2, which sentences give detail about the topic? Okay, in number 2, you need to write more than one sentence. Number 3, which sentence retells the topic in a new way? Okay. And that's it. Activity 19 says, think of ways that you are not adventurous. Complete the chart. Okay, in this case, you might think about something that you are not adventurous about. For example, complete the sentence. They are helping you and you need to complete. I'm not adventurous because I don't like hikes. Give an example and details. For example, I don't like to ride roller coasters. I don't like mechanic games. Give another example and details, and so on. You're going to write and follow the instructions that they are giving you. Write a summary, explain in one sentence how you are not adventurous. I'm not adventurous because I don't like heights. I don't like to travel in airplanes, but I do it anyways. Okay, so you need to write a paragraph using and following the example that they gave you in the preview exercise. Okay, and that's it. Let's go to the next page so we can finish. Exercise 21 is really easy. It says find and circle these words. You have popular, raw, sour, spicy, sweet, tasty, traditional, and unusual. Okay, you already have popular and you need to find 7 words. Okay, now activity 22 says complete the sentences, use some of the words in 21. Okay, you are going to use the adjectives from the previous exercise. Number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 says, one soup at the Spanish restaurant has a lot of spices in it. Not many people order it. The soup is too blank, so it isn't blank. Okay, and so on. Number 2 and number 3. Activity 23 says, complete the questions. Use the correct form of the words in parentheses. Then answer the questions about yourself. Okay? You have number 1, 2, and 3. Remember that we've been talking about present perfect. The present perfect questions are, for example, have you ever, and then you add the verb. For example, have you ever tried? Remember that the main verb is always in past participle form. For example, if they are giving you in between parentheses, go, see, eat, you are going to use gone, seen, eaten. Have you ever, okay? And the second blank, you are going to write the verb that they are giving you between parentheses, but in past participle. Okay, and then you answer. Have you ever gone to a Japanese restaurant? Yes, I have. Okay? And that's it. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. If you want to give more information, you are free to do it, and that's okay. Okay, now for the notebook, so we can finish. Think of your favorite dish or food and write a paragraph about it. Don't forget to use adjectives to describe. Okay, we had adjectives in this activity. These are all of the, or some of the adjectives that we learned in this unit. And for example, my favorite dish is sushi because I like seafood and I think it's delicious and it's spicy or sweet or raw or whatever, okay? And for example, you can talk about other people's opinion. For example, my family think it's also delicious because it's popular or it's traditional, okay? And that's it. It doesn't need to be too long. It's also can be short. So please, this needs to be on your notebook. Write your paragraph and take picture of this activity in your notebook and these 2 pages from the workbook, okay? Send them to me so I can check if you have any doubts, and that's it. Have a nice day. I'll see you the next time. Bye!